Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add more money to your Apple account balance on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, tap on your Apple account profile at the top. Next, tap on Media and Purchases. Then tap on View Account. Next, tap on Add Money to Account. And here you can choose the amount of money that you want to add. So there are a preset of $30, $50, $100, or you can tap on the Other button and choose the amount that you want to add. And then tap on Next. So it has to be a minimum of $1. So I'm going to select $1 and tap on Next. And next, all you have to do is double click to confirm the payment. I'm going to cancel now because I do not want to add the money into the account. And that's it. So that is how you can add in more money to the Apple account. And once you have a positive account balance, you can then make purchases on games, apps, and other things. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.